How to change your life in 5 minutes. Motivation tips for life, life-changing thoughts, published by healthdesnoopost.blogspot.com, on November 6, 2022.
Who is responsible for our life? We are responsible. Who is responsible for our actions? We are responsible. Who is responsible for failure in our life? We are responsible, but we blame others for everything. It's very clear idea. It's your life and you have to be responsible for your life. Every experience of your life is an outcome of the decisions you have made and would continue to make in future. Once you understand this concept, you will be able to make better choice because you are aware that you are responsible for your choices, the relative actions as well as the result. There might be time that you feel your life is miserable. There might be time where nothing is going according to your way. There might be time that you feel that your dreams are getting blurred or that you are not living the life that you desire. But these are just simple phases of your life. Rather than completely giving up or waiting for someone to make changes, you should take control of your life. Yes, take charge and change things around you. Do not wait for others to make changes in them, and also do not wait for things to happen on their own. Do not wait for anything. You take charge. It's on you. So get rid of all these vague thoughts that waiting for people to come to you and give you all that you want, and definitely stop blaming others for your situations. Sometimes we avoid to take any action because we feel that this is not our role or our duty, but you must take responsibility on your shoulder because you are also sharing the burden of that task. Analyze the problem and see your part where you are going wrong and work on taking corrective measures. There might be times when there is no one to support you, or you might be failing to understand the right direction. Even in those times, keep striving hard rather than blaming others. I always say one should never give up. Good should never suffer. People's ignorance, people's behavior, people's faults should not influence your life. They should not be the cause of your problem. Your choices and related results determines your karmas. Don't allow other people's to define your life. Always remember you have to make things happen. Don't wait for others to do it for you. And once you adapt this concept, you will make massive change in your life. So what are you waiting for? Take charge and live your life happily. Remember, the source of self-respect is your desire to accept responsibility of your own life. So take charge of your life.